Brooklyn, are you sneaking soda? You can't do that. No soda. Brooklyn, put it back. Good girl. You want soda? You can't have it. You're going to be too high. I'm sorry, but you can't. Are you mad? Don't give me that look. You're trying to be scary? Don't be scary. Why are you doing that? Don't do that. What? Okay, little bipolar child. No soda. Are you mad now? You're gonna break something? Yeah. No, you're not. You behave. Are you being a good girl? What are you playing with? Put the Nana in the kitchen. Put it in the kitchen. Good girl. What is that? What is that? Ew. Gross. Do you want to dance? No? It's a puppy. You better run. He's coming. Puppy's coming. You better run. Hurry. Puppy's going to get you. Hurry, Brooklyn.